One of my first builds. Let's talk about it. So this is the inside of my daughter's PC. What she's currently using is the Ryzen 9 5900X. For the RAM, you're looking at the RGB Pro SLs. Right now it's rocking 3. The reason for that, I put on my previous short, so you have to go back and check that one out on why she's rocking only 3. As for the motherboard, a Gigabyte X570S Aero G. Graphics card, as you guys can tell, ARC A70 Intel. She has ample enough storage. Now I can't recall the storage devices at the moment, so let's take a look at Windows. Here's her storage, including a Western Digital hard drive and a PCIe. And here's that Western Digital PCIe storage device. Pretty cool, guys, pretty cool. As for the power supply, you're looking at the Shift Corsair RMX 1000X. And for the case, is the LanCool 3. Beautiful case with installed filters. Here's an example of what the filters look like. Now for the cooler, you're looking at the H150i Elite with the LCD and some Lee & Lee fans and some Lee & Lee trimmers. And here's our setup. You got the Z11 EVGA keyboard, really great keyboard. It does bug out every once in a while, but it is waterproof. Now this is my son's PC. I mean, let me just clear up all this mess. I mean, this guy's like a pig. Come on, the real world action, right? Now you may see a lot of glare, but I'm gonna talk about it very quickly. For the GPU, he's rocking the EVGE 3070 for the Win 3 X570 Tachi motherboard. You got your Lee & Lee fans, 140s in the bottom, 120s in the back. Back there is the NZXT Kraken 280. For the processor, you're looking at the Ryzen 7 5800X. For the memory, you're looking at a G.Skill 64 gigs. Known issues at the moment, I can't get the streamers to run properly, and they are connected correctly. The PSU powering this is a Corsair 850. For the case, you're looking at the O11 Chrome by Lee & Lee. Now I can't recall the specifics and storages. Hold on. Here are your storages at the moment. Here's an additional known issue I'm having. I have a hard drive in the system, but the system is not seen at the moment. So I can't see the streamers and I can't see the hard drive. That's to be fixed hopefully sometime. Prior to this case, my son was rocking the Corsair, I believe it was the 4000D. Significant upgrade for him. Along with that, this is his setup with a TV as a monitor for right now. I have a couple of more setups to go with you guys very soon, so stay tuned. Oh, and before I forget, my daughter's monitor is a 34-inch Samsung monitor, 4K.